Here we are in the last days of 2019. At the end of the year, it is nice to take a look back to see all your accomplishments and make some goals for the year ahead. I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. 2019 saw the launch of the Twist and Sew collection from True Blue Quilts. This collection includes a variety of projects that feature the Twister ruler. You can see the fun projects ranging from placemats to full-size quilts in a variety of sizes. Over the summer of 2019, I made a quilt with the dancing 9-patch blocks. You can see my patriotic color scheme here, and I'd love to see your version. Look for the pattern in my shop. A highlight of 2019 was the opportunity to teach the Purple Angles quilt and share the paper piecing process with lots of new quilters. I hope you give this one a try. There are some really cool tools on the internet to help you do the year-end summaries. This is my top 9 based on the number of likes each photo got on Instagram. And you can see many of these pictures feature the quilter's planner that I used as my calendar system in 2019. Another fun exercise at the end of the year is to plug your Instagram name into yearofcolor.com, and it gives you the spectrum of colors that appear most often in your Instagram photos. And since I'm sharing all my quilts, this gives a great overview of my color preferences for the year. So I think I need to throw a little more blue in there and just really work on getting a good spread of color. 2019 was a fabulous year, and I'm glad I got to spend it with you each week. Thanks for tuning in, and I have several fun quilt-alongs planned for 2020, so be sure to tune in for details about those events coming up. Let's go quilt! In addition to pattern design, I am also a long arm quilter. You can see some of my free motion quilting designs in the playlist below. And come back next week when I will have more quilting inspiration for you with a new tutorial. And be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you in the new year. Enjoy your holiday season.